Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter fast boot mode on your AYANEO Pocket S2 Pro. To enter fast boot mode, you would need to first shut down your device by pressing and holding on the power button, then tap on power off. Wait a moment until the device vibrates, and when it does, it's off. So now we can begin pressing and holding on power and volume up. Once the Snapdragon logo appears, you can release the power button and keep pressing the volume up. When Android shows up on the screen with no command below it, it means that you can now go into the recovery by pressing and holding on the power button and shortly pressing on the volume up button. I don't know why the screen is darker than it was previously. I'm gonna try to show you what's there. You can see there are different options and you can use volume down or volume up to navigate through them. Let's select Enter Fastboot and click on the power button to approve. Now I'm in Fastboot mode. If you want to exit it, you can select Reboot System Now, enter Recovery, Reboot to bootloader, or Power Off. I'll select Reboot System Now. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.